Welcome to my HTML programming course. In this video, we will see about HTML emojis. Let's get started. Let's start with the introduction. Emojis are the characters from the UTF-8 character set. Emojis looks like images or icons, but they are not actually the images or icons. To let the browser understand that we are displaying a character, we should start the entity with ampersand and hash, and we should end it with semicolon. These are all some of the UTF-8 characters. In this HTML file, I am creating paragraph element to display capital A using UTF characters. So let's type ampersand hash 65 for A. So for B, let's type ampersand hash and 66. And for C, let's type ampersand hash 67. See the output in the browser. In this HTML file, let's add emojis. Let's create a paragraph element with the content ampersand hash 128512 semicolon. Let's save the file to see the emoji in the browser. Let's copy and paste the same paragraph element 5 more times to add 5 more emojis. For the second paragraph element, I am changing to 513. For the third paragraph element, I am changing to 514. For the fourth paragraph element, I am changing to 515. For the fifth paragraph element, I am changing to 516. And for the last paragraph element, I am changing to 5. That's all about HTML emojis. In the next video, we will see about HTML symbols. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and comment this video. If you want to stay up to date with our latest content, please subscribe to my channel, Spider Tech Hub. Thank you.